Now, get the gist that I bring to you from the heart of the source, Ile-Ife, today. Today, the House of Oduduwa, and of course, specifically His Imperial Majesty, the Aruli Oduduwa, is celebrating the birthday of his beloved daughter, Princess Adewamiwa. Today, the princess turns 18, and of course, the palace and His Imperial Majesty himself can't not wait to celebrate his amazing daughter. And so he went to his verified Instagram page to celebrate this amazing milestone of his daughter. And he penned a very heartwarming message on his page to celebrate her. As you can see, beautiful reactions from fans, from lovers, welcome this celebration of this princess of the source. Now, we at IFECITYBLOG TV also cannot wait to celebrate this princess and of course to wish her a happy birthday and of course a long life filled with prosperity and amazing endless grace. And it may be important to make some comment about this princess of the source. What is very amazing about her is that she has always been very frequent, very relevant during traditional or cultural events. And this is very, very commendable. This speaks volume of the beauty of the Yoruba culture and tradition. So we can't wait to celebrate and to wish her a very, very happy birthday, long life and prosperity from all of us at IFECITYBLOG TV. And to all our viewers, we want to say thank you for staying tuned to us on this channel. And we do want it also to remain with us as we bring you amazing, lovely gist from the heart of the source Ile-Ife and beyond. So thanks once again for watching, and bye for now.